And what would I call it? The John Splosion. Doesn't have quite a ring. No, we'll use it.
I'm going for like a cake that was just in a fight. I gotta eat it.
Hey everybody, I'm John Cena.
Hi, my name is Craig Robinson, and I'm here with Tastemade.
Today I'm with Tastemade, decorating a very miniature cake. This should go well.
Let's see what we got here. Do I leave it on the spool? All right, it's going really fast.
I'm not prepared. Ooh, this is a precise fondant right there.
More layers, edge it out.
You've seen these? I don't play Operation well.
Somebody says it's gonna be hard.
Gives me a little bit of stress, but it looks beautiful. I'll do the best that I can. Here we go.
I think this is gonna be fantastic. I have a lot of little miniature figurines at home. So we always have little dinner parties, so I'm always doing stuff like this.
The first thing I ever learned how to cook was cereal. To this day, it's probably the only thing that I ever cook. And I would feel confident in saying that I only mess it up about 60% of the time.
Now what I'm gonna do is called the sticky shuffle, where I shuffle the sticky like that.
Of course, I took cake baking in college for 0.5 credits. It was right after bowling and right before swimming. And that's where I learned the glories of fondant.
Looking good.
Yeah, looking great. But I mean, thanks for setting the bar low, but it's looking fantastic.
Look at that. Hello. Already halfway there.
Ooh, as an ice cream junkie, if I could create my own ice cream flavor, what are the things I like in ice cream? English toffee, banana flavor, peanut butter, dark chocolate chunks, and maybe a pinch of salt.
My own ice cream flavor, pumpkin, gingerbread, vanilla. Ooh. Yeah. See, you don't want to get them all on there. You want to like see which ones really want to be there. You know what I'm saying?
This guy used tweezers for this. I'm gonna do this instead of what he did. This is one got away, two got away. Yep, okay, just trying to, man, how did he do this? Favorite meal as a kid? Ramen, top ramen. I used to eat those things right out of the package.
I actually play a squirrel. I slept in the park for 3 nights to get ready for the role.
No, I did not. A polar bear's diet consists of fish, I believe, so I did not. That's kind of close to what I eat. I make decent decisions, and I'm okay in the essential fatty acid category, So what other dessert would I wreck my diet for? Here's one that I like, that I've had over in the UK, and very rarely in the United States. It's called banoffee pie. I think I would wreck my diet for banoffee pie.
What dessert would I wreck my diet for? Let's see. Like a good warm apple pie with some vanilla ice cream. Oh, don't tell my trainer.
What are my go-to movie theater snacks? Snow caps, Mike and Ike's. You have to have Mike and Ike. I think for a while they tried to just separate them. King Reese's peanut butter cups. I'm actually a sucker for movie popcorn.
I'm traditional. Go-to movie theater snacks, popcorn. Maybe throw some M&Ms inside the popcorn, so it's like a little surprise. Like, oh, popcorn. Oh, chocolate.
I will tell you, Craig did not follow the tutorial at all.
Damn it! If I knew I could freestyle there, I would have eaten half the cake first.
They just told me a joke. He said, why didn't the koala bear get the job? He didn't have the qualifications. Shut up, cake.
That's what I got.
How do you think you did it?
You're welcome.
I'm really critical of myself, so I think I did absolutely awesome.